Okay, let's try to write the standard form of the equation. This is going back and forth just to make sure that you've got it. We're not doing the same thing, and then you don't have to think. You're going back and forth. The slope is undefined. Oh, wow. When the slope is undefined, that means I have a vertical line. And a vertical line is x equals the x coordinate. So I need to figure out what that x coordinate is. What's the x coordinate? Well, the x coordinate, it goes through negative 3, 4. The x coordinate is negative 3. So x equals negative 3. That's whenever you have a vertical line. When you have a horizontal line, and a horizontal line occurs when you have a slope equal to 0, that horizontal line is the equation for it is y equals the y coordinate. And this happens when your slope is 0. Okay, write the equation of a vertical line with an x-intercept at 3. Write an equation of the vertical line with an x-intercept at 3. So if my x-intercept is at 3, the point is 3, 0. The equation of the vertical line is x equals the x coordinate of the point that it goes through. That x coordinate is 3, so we have x equals 3. Okay, you try this one. Write the equation of the horizontal line through 0, negative 5. The equation of the horizontal line going through 0, negative 5. And if you said y equals negative 5, I'm going to put a big heart. Nice job. Nice job. Okay, write an equation of the line with a y-intercept at negative 10 and parallel to all horizontal lines. Parallel to all horizontal lines. Horizontal lines, y equals the y coordinate. The y-intercept at negative 10 means my ordered pair is 0, negative 10. So the equation of the line would be y equals negative 10. Hopefully you're feeling good because you got that too. Try this one. Write an equation of the line with x-intercept at negative 5 and parallel to all vertical lines. Vertical lines, x equals the x coordinate. X-intercept at negative 5 would be negative 5, 0. So our equation is x equals negative 5. I lost my, oh boy, I lost the whole thing there. Let me put that answer, x equals negative 5. There we go. And then here what you'll have is you'll have some parallel and perpendicular problems in your homework. Remember that parallel lines have equal slopes, equal or the same slope. And perpendicular, that's your symbol for perpendicular. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So I'll just do this one right here. This equation is y equals negative x plus 7. So the slope is negative 1. A parallel slope would be the same, and a perpendicular slope would be the opposite, which would be positive, and then the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So we'd have y equals, I'll just write this out real quick for you in red, we would have y minus 2 equals negative 1 times x plus 3. That would be the equation for the parallel line, and the equation for the perpendicular line would be y minus 2, still using this ordered pair right here, y minus 2 equals positive 1 times x plus 3. So that's our perpendicular line. And then you can do the next two. And then I think from there, we're pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. We got one more word problem to go. And I can actually just throw this in right here. When you have this word problem and you want to write a linear equation, so it says the resident population of South Carolina in thousands was 4,024. So that means 4 million in 2000 and 4.2 million in 2005. Assume that the relationship between the population Y and the year T is linear. So that's important. Population Y and the year T is linear. And they say let T equals 0 represent 2000. So T is my input and Y is my output. That's my population. So population and the number of years after 2000. I'm just going to say year. So I'm going to have two ordered pairs. In the year 2000, 4024, and that's in millions. And then in the year 2005, which is 5 years after 2000, 4255. And then from those two ordered pairs, we can write our linear model. We can use that model to estimate the population in 2002. That's interpolating because 2002 is between the data. It's within this data. 2004 is also within this data. However, 2009 would be extrapolating. We're predicting what's going to happen outside of the given data.